What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So just wanted to give you guys some updates about some things I've been working on. So this is now the live stream setup. I believe some of you might have seen the last live stream where we had about 6 people, but it was kind of just a spur of the moment thing, testing out the camera. But we had fun. It was probably an hour-long live stream, chatting with a few of you guys. So right now I'm using my GoPro Hero 10. But we did order a Sony EV10 as a live stream camera, and also a good camera for garage videos, any B-roll shots of the bike, any sort of videos when we go out to the track. So we got that on the way, should be here next week. We also have a nice gimbal from DJI, the Ronin SC, so we'll be able to get some really smooth shots with that nice Sony camera. So in terms of the live stream, I wanted to ask you guys if you could put a comment in the section below about the best time that you guys would like to spend some time and chat with me through a live stream. I also plan to have some guests on here, some of the guys that I ride with, so we can make it more of a interesting conversation. But I want to do a consistent weekly live stream. So if you guys can just let me know in the comments below, like a good day, whether it's like a Saturday in the morning, Saturday in the evening, a weekday evening, Sunday, kind of the same thing. Just so we can get a consistent time, just so, for me and for you, we can all tune in at the same time and, enjoy having a live stream for the channel. So I, as you can see, dressed up the setup a little bit. So we got the Yamaha flag. I ordered this R1M 1/12 scale motorcycle, so it would have been, I don't know, I think like this big or something for the set. I was going to have it here on the desk so we could, have it here, look pretty cool. But as soon as I opened it, let me open this real quick. It's pretty funny. So I have to paint and assemble every part of the bike. I mean, it even came with synthetic rubber tires, and there's actually screws with a screwdriver. I mean, you rebuild the engine, everything. So I do not have time to build a model. So I will be returning this, and we are going to get one that's casted and already made. But this would have been cool, but I just don't have the time or the energy or the skill to build something like this. So another update that I want to let you guys know. So like I said in my previous videos, all my affiliate links or any sort of affiliate codes that I have, all the money is going back into the channel. Have I made a lot of money to purchase a bunch of this equipment? No, but I think it's a cool investment to keep bringing you guys better content and better footage, and hopefully grow the channel, in a way that everyone enjoys. So we also got the Insta360 One X2. So I don't know if you guys know about this camera, but there is a camera on each side, and it's actually a 360 camera. So what you can do is you can mount it to the bike with this pole, and this pole extends out pretty far. So basically, when you mount it to the bike with this pole right at the end, you can get a shot like this. We'll be able to get these kind of behind the bike shots, which are super cool. And I'll still have the GoPro on my chin as well through some riding footage, so we'll get 2 different angles. Not only is it going to be a cool angle for you guys, but it's also an angle for me to see, how I'm entering turns, if I'm going too early, if I'm going too late, if I'm hitting my apex, my body position. So it's going to give me some feedback on things that I can improve, and also a really cool angle when I'm out there riding for you guys. So we'll be installing this. I'm actually going to do a video because these are actually pretty hard to mount on a bike, and there's only a couple YouTube riders that I've seen at least use these as they ride on their bikes. So we'll do a video on how to mount this to an R1 if you're interested in getting something like this. the pole, the camera, and all my filming equipment, even this wireless microphone, if you are interested in it, I will leave a link below. Like I said, you know, and all my affiliate links are going back into the channel. I really want to get you guys some great content and keep this ball rolling. So that's it for the camera. Let's see, what else did I want to update you guys on? So the R1 is currently in the shop. After we did the dyno run, I was shown some other dyno runs that they were able to do at that shop specifically, and I think it's much better to tune a bike with a dyno at a local place. Bren Tuning did an amazing job. I'm not going to knock anything they did with the remote tune. Phenomenal, especially for the price. You know, you get the device and everything. I think Bren Tuning is really a good company to go with, but I wanted to get somebody local that I could do a dyno run on and, you know, see the power figures that I'm getting. Or if I change my exhaust or something else, or the intake, or, you know, velocity stacks or something like that. I want someone local that can tune it for exactly what I have on my bike. So right now the R1 is in the shop. They are removing the intake flap. They're also taking off the smog block-off plates, or putting the Graves block-off plates in place. And then they're going to be doing a tune on the dyno, which should yield probably 5 more peak horsepower. So it'll be around like 184. And also we're going to be getting a lot more power in the low to mid range, which is what I felt was lacking from the previous Flash. So I saw a map that they had from an R1 that they tuned, and I saw the chart and I saw the graph, and I was like, hey, that's the one I want. Do that to my bike. So it's been there for the past almost a week, but I think we'll be picking it up in the next few days. So I will film a riding video coming back with the bike and talking through how it feels after the tune that they did on the dyno. So super stoked to get the bike back. I feel like my other half, or significant other, has been gone for way too long. So also, a few of you guys in the comments have asked about my microphone setup in this helmet. So I'm gonna make a video for this helmet, and it would apply for pretty much any helmet that you're gonna be vlogging with, or you want voice along with your video. So that video will be coming out, I believe, next week, once I get my new camera, so we can get some better shots with that. But pretty much, you know, the microphone's tucked, the cabling is tucked away back here in the cheek pad, which I'll show you in more detail. This is a chin mount, which is where I mount my GoPro, and then my mic cable just straight into the GoPro. So I will leave a link in the description below for 10% off your chin mount if you want one of those. They're really, really cool. The adhesive is super strong. I mean, this thing, I don't even know how I'm gonna get it off when it's time to get it off. So that video will be, like I said, coming out next week. And other than that, you know, this was really just giving you guys updates on what I've been working on and what's planned for the future. So if you guys like the updates that we got coming up for the channel, please drop a like. Also, just a reminder, drop a time that works for you guys in the comment section below, so I can plan a weekly live stream, so we can you know, get together and chat about bikes, and like I said, also have some guest appearances that I ride with. I think it'll be fun. And also subscribe to the future episodes. I think we have some exciting stuff coming up. On March 26th, I'm going to be doing a track day with probably eight other guys that are you know, in my local area. We're all going to go up together, so that'll be cool. And other than that, like always, ride safe, and we'll see you next time.